Hi, I'm Joe Mino of Brick Journal Magazine, and I was one of the people who was able to get an advanced copy of the new mindstorms set. So here I'm going to do a quick unboxing video, maybe a little build. So let's start it off right now. This is the set, and it's almost out. It's 95% out, for lack of a better term. And as you can tell, it's a pretty big box. I've already sort of opened it. One thing you should note, it's heavy, and it's also kind of thin. But let's take a look at what's inside. All right, so here's the mindstorms box, and like I said, it's thin but big. And if you open it up, this is what you get. Now, the actual programming brick is here. You open it up, you get the brick itself and a rechargeable battery. Now the battery fits on this notch here. You slide it in here. Well, not like that, but like this, and in you go. And that's pretty much it. You want to start her up. The arrow is the retail version. The Spike Education version has a heart. And then when you turn it off, there you go. It does come with a charge off the bat. Now, there are 6 ports, 3 on each side. These are both in and out ports. So you can put sensors in, or you can put motors in, all of them. There's a tiny little speaker. And there's a tiny little USB port for charging. Now, this booklet is the parts library, for lack of a better term, and also stickers. And you end up with all these bags. The bags are not numbered. So, we have small parts. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 bags and 1 Technic base plate. Now if you take a look here, the box actually, both boxes actually have a layout for where to put your parts. Unfortunately, there's no dividers, so you're going to have to make them if you want them. Now, the set itself, there's your P brick. You get color sensor right here. You get a distance sensor right here. Charger cable, USB. 4 motors, right there. And let's see, is there anything else there? Those are the important computer parts. So let's put that there. And so let's just take some time out right now and put all the pieces in the sorting scheme that is put in the boxes. I'll talk to you in just a moment. So here are all the parts in their sections in the box. I wouldn't recommend this because the box can't be closed. You should get your own container for this. And I wrapped this particular video up here. So I'll talk to you later on another one.